Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Northwind buys a 270-day T-bill, 250,000 face value, and they purchased it for 240. What is the bond equivalent effective annual yield on the funds invested? Well, remember we have the bank discount yield and we have the bond equivalent effective annual yield. We're asked about the effective annual yield. How do we compute this? Remember, the effective annual yield is more accurate. Why? Because you are going to make $10,000 in total for an investment of 240,000, because the total return is 10,000 and you invested 240. So if we take 10 divided by 240, that's 4.166 annual. Now, this is the annual if you had it for the full year. But what we did is, this is a 270-day return. Therefore, we'll take 360 divided by 270 and we multiply it by the 4.166%. And if we do that, 360 divided by 270, that's 1.33 times 4.166%. That's equal to approximately 5.63. So this is the effective yield, which is the most accurate. What should you do whether you are a CMA exam candidate, CPA, accounting, finance student? The best investment you can make is go to farhatlectures.com, look at additional questions, resources. Like, for example, the quiz AI could explain this topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your career, invest in your future. God bless and stay safe.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.